Hey guys, what's up? So today we should top best release for 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first is called PoJav Launcher, iOS Dev, and Minecraft Java Edition comes to iOS. This is called Better Alarm, new design and many smart features for the alarm and timer. This is called Visible Apps, show hidden apps on the home screen. This is called Config for WhatsApp, and basically what this is, it's the lets your device show contact photos in the world's most popular application, WhatsApp. So next is called Power Cuff. So that's a Power Cuff unofficial Fitz's flashlight for heavy. So that's called Power Cuff unofficial. It's just Fitz's flashlight for heavy. When heavy mode Power Cuff. But this tweak exposes assistant power throttle mode for better battery life. There's also another tweak. It's actually like a remake of this. I think by Litkin or something like that. I forgot the name, but someone remade Power Cuff and it does. I think like they add like another feature to it. So you download like the GitHub. If you search for Power Cuff, you should find the updated version. But this one's by Ryan Petrich, the 0.1 version, which still works. Next, she's called Bye Bye Adversary label, removes the annoying parental adversary label that Netflix likes to ignore us every time a single watch episode of our favorite TV or movie. Next, she's called Bye Breadcrumbs, and just gets rid of the breadcrumbs for your device. Next, she's called Nets Up 2, iOS 12 and 13, view and skip the next track. This is called Noctis 12 and gives you basically dark mode. This is called YT Darker plus, so add some colors and mode and to change colors, add more dark color mode and some other tweets as well. So this is by StemGrade on the Coco Tweets repo or community repo. This is called Zenith Heavy Plus, improvements and updated control files. So basically just like a movie TV show app. It should have no ads. This is called Astia Revived, an aesthetic look to your loved connectivity toggles. This is called Vino Bypass version 0.2.5, got updated. It's an experimental tool to hide jailbreak files for bypass detection. So it's good for like Pokemon Go. This is called Bong Water, and a beautiful new design for the iPhone app, inspired by iOS 14. This is called Chroma Flow, colorize your music. This is called Prism, a feature-rich control center for iOS. This is called Chat Wall, brings custom wallpapers to the iMessage app. This is called Zinnia, a wonderful neon overhaul for your lock screen. And if you have Zinnia trials, this is the trial version. Try it out. If you want to try this out before buying it, you definitely can. It's wonderful neon overhaul for your lock screen. This is called AirPay, Apple Pay reimagined, inspired by AirPod pops up. And last week is called Leica Gray stickers, update available in the Twitch repo. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This is what it looks like. So catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.